Yeah. Okay. Okay, can you step back, Brian? Same way. Yep. Yeah.
Why are we putting it on the side that there's no camera?
So we put the troop number on the fleur de lis, so it's framed in the video that we've got. So it's the official.
There's no camera. I mean, I guess we can see it on 360.
And we fly in the payload something that we hand out afterwards for all the participants. So.
In this case, there will be a bull.
There's no camera facing this way.
So everybody that helped build the payload or attended the launch.
Oh, you're doing another one of those? I can add it to my collection.
Yes. We're going to hand out these.
Alright, so this one was from this year, this was from next year, and you can't tell the difference at all.
So you were telling me about this pin right here. Wait, where'd it go?
But you can't tell the difference between
you
the
could
pins.
see the old
You were telling me about this pin right here. What is it about this pin?
Yeah, so what we do is we have a whole set of them that we fly in the payload, and that's something that goes up to hopefully 100,000 feet. That once we retrieve the payload, we can hand out to the participants in the launch. Either help build the payload or is actually at the day of the launch. And this is something they can pin on their uniform or a hat. And it's just a neat little trinket.
Very cool. Appreciate that. So when they also do all these launching, do they get a badge?
You'll view what's happening.
They don't get an amateur radio badge. This is the main thing that we give out. This is the pin itself. So weight is a big constraint that we work with. We've looked at actually getting an official launch badge. They're a little pricey, so the pins are more economical.
Dot freezes for like 30 seconds.
Yes.
Which one is it?
Oh shit.
This guy caught it right here. Call that. I was waiting. He was being polite.
I'm a little sleep deprived.
You gotta take advantage of the
Yeah, join the club.
Yes. Lead This Is Stupid.
Wait, what happened?
That is exactly what that was.
That's how people die. Not saying something. That's why the Air Force has.
So,
I said something about that. I said the camera's on.
You did? I didn't hear you.
I said there's no camera over here.
You gotta say, lead This Is Stupid.
so one question.
I mean, it wasn't really
A message right here saying Happy Star Wars Day.
If you want to write it on it, that would be fine, Paul. If you want to write Happy Star Wars Day.
Wait, would it be stupid or depending on what point you're
Yes, sir. Hey! I have something for you. Oh. I don't think I have it with me. I'm so glad you made it.
Yes.
Thomas! Yeah.
Okay. I did not hear that one. Using your back top.
Okay.
Some do.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, when I waited last night, it was like 2000 and
2100.
yeah, it's 2100 is what I set up because I rounded up because I didn't have the tractors in it or the cables.
Oh, okay.
So I was doing a guesstimate on the additional weight.
We're getting updates.
Thank you. I had to figure it out, but I was like, I gotta run troop activities.
I had to double check too to make sure. You cannot always trust these.
Where is it? It's on there.
A lot can go wrong.
That is the biggest understatement I have heard.
It kills me how many times that we will bench test this stuff, flash it, and then the next day it doesn't work.
It's like computers.
Literally.
Alright.
All right.
What's it called? The sky? What do you mean? That's
What
sky.
time
What's
is
our
it? How are we doing?
sky?
9 o'clock. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Okay. What's the flight procedure? Start running it.
4-point harness. We don't know if that is.
Andrew says we're ready. Is that one ready?
It will be. This one's almost ready.
Okay. Are we doing anything else? We're running the camera? 4-point
We're just doing the normal, the normal launch procedure.
Is this the 4-point?
have a day long.
If you got one, go for it.
Is this the 4-point harness?
Yes.
Okay. So that's attached.
Okay. Okay. Can you hold this, Ryan?
Yep.
We gotta tape the corners here. This is
The fun part.
one of the most important, commonly missed steps.
Tether rigging line. That is.
This looks like the most important part that involves all the duct tape.
Yeah. We go to the edge of space with duct tape, literally.
Hey, duct
Not
tape will
lying.
take you anywhere you want to go, man.
Tether rigging line.
It's actually, it's not just duct tape, it's Gorilla Tape.
Oh, it's even better.
Yeah. The issue with regular duct tape is it loses its grip when it gets super cold.
Oh,
So we gotta,
Gorilla tape doesn't.
yeah, we have to have tape that's like minus 50.
Oh, moly.
Must be minus 50, because otherwise the glue will.
Yeah, it loses its grip. So,
Because technically tape it just has glue on the bottom.
so we tape the 4-point harness to the top of the payload. So when it's swinging around, especially after the balloon pops, it reduces the risk of it getting tangled up in itself with these dowels.
Sure. Good idea.
So I'm wearing my Mars
And
under
this is
this.
Excellent.
the tether line.
Okay.
Yeah, so we will walk it out. We'll lay it down so it goes the direction of the wind.
And then that's also the
Regular line now.
Yes, yes, that's the flight line. The original line. Yep.
Mr. Blessing, how does this talk to the Chinese?
Doesn't.
Does it like go through the TikTok app
If
or
you
what?
want to learn from last year, that hashtag
It's already in the cloud.
not an ICBM from Kim Jong-un. You would have known that from last year.
At what
already in the
point
cloud.
do we send fighter pilots out?
Exactly.
release tether.
It's a cell phone with the TikTok app.
We're live streaming off the payload.
Chinese are gonna get everything.
Everything.
Get that epic footage of the missile coming right at it.
I would just go to
I was
Poland.
going to see just an aim one.
Switching the bullets.
All right.
Just an aim one.
Western F-35.
Okay, that's already attached. So let's walk it. Let's walk it out here.
So now we
Lay
just
it
have
out.
to land.
We're good on weight. We got the weight.